Small businesses frequently have limited marketing budget, which can make promoting your company difficult. The good news is that there are a plethora of free alternatives for you to sell yourself to your clients. You probably don't have time as a business owner to study and uncover these free marketing ideas, but we've done it for you. In this video, we will tell you 20 free and low-budget marketing strategies for your small business. But before that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Also, if you want to start increasing your sales with live streaming today, click the link below to start for free. Let's start. Number 1. Create a free Google My Business account. A Google Business profile has become one of the most efficient free marketing tactics accessible, especially for small firms. This free listing will allow your company to appear in Google Maps, Google Search's local section, and the right-hand knowledge panel for sponsored queries. However, in order for your business profile to appear higher in Google Maps or in local search results, you must improve it, and in order to optimize it, you must have verified ownership of it, which you can accomplish using your Google My Business account. Number 2. Post and engage in social media. Increasing social media interaction and creating an online community is a cost-free approach to expand your small business while expressing your brand's personality and establishing trust with your target audience. Create company accounts on major social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and others. This is something you can do whenever you have some extra time. Number 3. Tag people and brands in social media. Using social media to tag your local customers, brand evangelists, or even nearby organizations and providers can help you expand your organic reach to a new potential audience, develop your following, and potentially gain additional clients. Encourage your fans to include your social media account or your business location as a hashtag in their postings. Number 4. Use hashtags. Incorporating hashtags into your social media posts, not just on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, but also on Facebook and LinkedIn, is another free marketing approach that can help you expand your reach. While broad or trendy hashtags might help you reinforce your brand identity, it shouldn't be your sole option. When you're providing materials or advice, more precise hashtags similar to long-tail keywords are useful. If you're a local business, you'll need to include hashtags that are specific to your location. Don't forget about your own hashtags. Use a variety of hashtags in your postings to ensure that they reach the intended audience. Number 5. Don't sleep on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a significant social media platform that's frequently underutilized. Don't just build network connections and then disappear. Engage in conversations with them, share your blog posts and offers, join and participate in forums, and share others' high-quality content. Number 6. Do some local SEO. The best thing about Google's algorithm is that it's built to deliver the most accurate, high-quality, and relevant results for each given search query. Because it's not necessary to pay to play, the playing field is leveled, allowing small enterprises to compete with giant corporations for page-one real estate. Local SEO is free, but it can take some time, so start now and keep working. The benefits over time can be huge. Number 7. Develop an email marketing plan. Email marketing is an excellent approach to attract new visitors and retain ties with existing consumers. Even though email marketing isn't new, it's still one of the most reliable ways to get a good return on your marketing dollars. Here's how to make sure it happens. Make your subject lines creative and thought-provoking. Make sure each email has an incentive for your readers to take the next step. Keep track of your results and run A/B tests to see which copy and offers your subscribers respond to. Number 8. Create data-rich infographics. As marketing tools, infographics are quite effective. They're eye-catching, easy to comprehend, and people love to share them, making them an excellent approach to increase referral traffic and links. Hiring a designer to create an A+ infographic is expensive, but you can create your own for free using free programs like Canva, Adobe's free vector kits, or our personal favorite, Visme, which include all of the pieces needed to create a creative, shareable infographic. Number 9. Claim free ad promo credits. While large-scale advertising campaigns may be out of your price range, there are frequently discounts and coupons available for Facebook or Google Ads. As part of their membership options, some web hosting companies provide advertising discount codes. Check to see if yours does as well. Of course, getting the promo is simple, but to achieve the best results in audience insights, you'll need to brush up on your PPC skills. Number 10. Apply for business awards. You can earn company awards in almost every industry, and you'll get an online badge to display on your website if you win. These kinds of badges can promote credibility and, as a result, sales. If your industry doesn't have any awards, create your own. Other industry businesses will be interested in applying for your award, which implies additional connections and potential future partnerships. Number 11. Feeling brave. Give guerrilla marketing a try. Guerrilla marketing prioritizes innovation over expense. and techniques are frequently low cost and simple to implement, particularly when localized. Use sidewalk chalk to write your Twitter account, use an abandoned storefront as a canvas for street art, or use unique stickers and urban decor to make passersby take notice. Number 12. Publish great content. If done correctly, content marketing is a highly effective strategy that does not necessitate a large investment. Not only does this convey your authority, competence, and genuine desire to help your audience, but Google also favors high-quality content that answers the most frequently asked issues. As a result, it improves your website's visibility on Google and attracts more free traffic. Number 13. Start a blog. Starting a blog is a terrific way to make content a regular part of your marketing efforts. Small businesses utilize blogging to enhance website traffic, increase user engagement, improve their online presence, and improve their overall SEO. It's a completely free approach to market your small business online by telling stories about your company and providing relevant information that your potential customers are looking for. Number 14. Form industry partnerships. For a collaborative partnership, team up with a company in your field. This can be done locally and offline by holding a special event, or online by hosting a webinar or giving away a promotional item. Partnering with another company means you'll get twice the attention and reach a whole new audience in your niche. Number 15. Post helpful videos. Movie is a very popular medium among consumers, and while hiring a professional to develop and publish a video on YouTube can be expensive, you don't have to. With today's personal gadgets and social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, DIY video marketing is simple. If it's suitable, include a branding message or a personal note. Be open and honest. Finish with a strong call to action like "Call us today to schedule an appointment" or "Order your birthday cake today." And then share the video on your website, YouTube, and other video hosting sites, social media channels, and even emails. Number 16. Turn employees into brand ambassadors. Word of mouth is a significant marketing tactic for many small businesses to increase sales. Customers are more inclined to acquire a product or service if they hear about it from strangers, so imagine the impact of referrals from friends or relatives. You may tap into the immense potential of your employees' networks by training them well and encouraging them to become brand ambassadors. Number 17. Recycle your old content. Make the most of what you've already accomplished. If you have a hit piece of content, repurpose it for various platforms. Make a video instructional out of a successful webinar. Make an ebook out of a collection of related blog articles or other content from your site, which you can advertise via site pop-ups or your email marketing program. Number 18. Host classes and events. Plan an event or class to host, then print and distribute flyers to local bulletin boards like libraries, coffee shops, local colleges, etc. While most community bulletin boards will not allow you to post commercial adverts, they will frequently gladly publish a flyer offering an educational event or class. If you're unable to hold an event, attend any local activities that may be beneficial to your business. You never know where your next customer or business partner will appear. Number 19. Run informative webinars. You can always conduct a webinar if seeing a potential audience in person isn't your idea of a decent marketing strategy. Webinars are a cost-free approach to advertise your brand by giving potential consumers useful information. Webinar platforms like WebEx and GoToMeeting make it simple to broadcast your webinar with a few mouse clicks. 1 to 2 weeks before the event, promote your webinar on social media or through your email newsletter and send out reminders to registrants to ensure they don't miss it. Number 20. Attend industry networking events. Taking your small business to the next level by attending trade fairs and industry conferences is a wise move. These gatherings bring together business leaders from a variety of industries who are looking for fresh marketing methods to help them expand their businesses. It's also a great method to meet new B2B contacts and network with like-minded people. Furthermore, these events feature exclusive workshops aimed at improving your sales, social media, advertising, and other modern methods of promoting your small business. These were some of the best low-budget marketing tactics that you could implement for your small businesses. If you guys have anything to add to this list and have helped your business grow, do let us know in the comments. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then drop a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you in the next video.